Welcome to this video. In this video, I will cover the waterfall section in the ARGUS multifamily model. Waterfall is a terminology of a profit splitting structure between general partners and limited partners. I'm going to say the cash is distributed on a quarterly basis. The maximum number of tiers is 5 here in the ARGUS multifamily model. If I input 5 tiers, I can see 5 tiers are activated in the Annual Waterfall tab. If I change it to 2, only 2 tiers are activated. The preferred return is 8%. Preferred return is similar to the interest on the capital deployed. HC Capital contributes 10% of the equity stack and the BBT Capital contributes the remaining 90%. Both of them will earn a 8% preferred return on their contribution before the return of their capital and the profit distributed through different tiers. The preferred return is accumulative rather than compounding. If a preferred return is missed due to a temporary lack of cash flow, the missed amount will simply be carried forward. For the compounding preferred return, the interest on the missed amount will also need to be paid. If the preferred return is met, then the first tier kicks in before the BBT Capital, which is the limited partner, reaches 12% IRR. The cash flow is split 30-70 between the general partner and the limited partner. I can see that HC Capital is being disproportionately rewarded as it contributes 10% of the capital stack but receives 30% of the cash flow over the preferred return. This disproportional reward is also called promotion. The waterfall is designed in this way to incentivize the general partner to achieve a higher return for the deal. After the BBT Capital reaches 12% IRR, the cash flow will be split 50-50. Let's go to the Annual Waterfall tab. I can see how the cash flow is distributed in detail. The preferred return, return of capital, the first tier. You can see the second tier if you input 2 tiers here. The return summary of HC Capital and the BBT Capital. At last, the promotion summary. Let's go to the Annual Cash Flow Summary tab. I can see the sale is about $31 million. The cost of sale is about $400,000. Debt repayment is about $12 million. The total cash flow from sale is about $18 million. Everything looks good. Alright, I have completed the waterfall section in the ARGUS multifamily model. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.